Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, thank you for joining us today. Make sure you subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any more fun stuff with fashion and pageants and all those wonderful things. So today is a wonderful day. Let me start off, this has been a crazy busy week, so I'm filming this on a Thursday. It is Jordan's birthday week, so we celebrated that last night. But he actually flew out to California today, and because I'm flying out to Oregon tomorrow. So he's celebrating his birthday with friends while I go judge a pageant, one of my favorite things to do. So we had to celebrate a little bit early. And with judging the pageant this weekend, I have a lot of prep work to do. So after this, I need to go get my spray tan, go get my nails done, all of those things. So I am full glam for the weekend, and of course run all those little last minute errands, like picking up a face mask that will match with my outfits for the weekend, because I can't have my face mask clashing. Part of my preparations for the pageant this weekend was going and getting my hair done. So I went to see Kayla. She is Kayla B Beauty on Instagram. I will link her here. But went in, chopped off some of my hair, gave me some more layers, and I'm so excited because I just really wanted to give it a lot of volume this weekend, give it some sass. And then of course touched my roots, did an all over color. But anyways, that's not what you're here for. You are here for an unboxing. So unboxing we will do. So first things first, we have the New York & Company box for the month of March. So let's get started on that one. Oh, so many goodies. Okay. As you can see, I have not pre-opened these. I'm opening them with you for the first time. So, oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this t-shirt. Those that know me know I'm not like a casual gal. I don't really wear or own many t-shirts, but especially in 2020, t-shirts were something a lot of people needed. So I'm trying to get a little bit more casual, but still cute. So I got this t-shirt that says overdressed. Is that not fantastic? I am so excited about this. It's like I'm being casual, but I'm not actually casual. You know what I mean? Love this so much. It's actually really nice and soft. And I was kind of envisioning it like tucked into some cute jeans with some fabulous shoes. So again, it goes along with the overdressed, but not overdressed. So that's item number one. Love that. I think that's probably the item I was most excited about, which is strange for me because, like I said, I don't do t-shirts generally, but that one just kind of spoke to my spirit. So next, last month I got a pair of jeans, and I told you guys I was really torn up on which pair of jeans to get, so I got the distressed ones. Well, of course, because I got the distressed ones, I couldn't stop thinking about the crop ones, so this month I got the crop ones. Check them out, they're so cute. They still do have a little bit of distressing to them, but no actual holes. And then the bottom is like a raw hem, and it's just a wider leg. So I am really, really excited about these. I think they're gonna be so cute, especially like I said, they're a great pant where you can show off your cute shoes, and working at a footwear brand, I now have a lot more cute shoes that I wanna show off, especially with spring looks. So speaking of spring, I also got a dress. And this is another one of those, New York & Company just launched a bunch of new dresses this month, and they're all so cute. I literally had 4 or 5 in my cart that were to die for, and I had to pick one. So I'm really hoping I like this one as much as I thought I did, because, I mean, if not, I'll just get the other ones next month like I did with the denim. So this one, I don't know if it'll look as impressive just coming out of the box, but I loved it because it's pattern. It's green is my color, and it's got a unique style to it. So this side, as you can see, is just a typical knit dress, sleeveless. This side has a scarf print to it, and it has a poncho sleeve. So it's mixed media, which I think is so cool. It's very resort vibes, tropical, and I think it's gonna be so figure flattering, color flattering, all of it. I'm just so excited. So this one I definitely need to try on because you can't see the shape as well, not on a body, but very excited about this one. And the quality on this is just so good. This knit material is really substantial, and then this is just silky smooth. So I'm always so impressed. Even Jordan, my husband, who is very bougie and only buys the nicest things. He's looked at all my New York & Company stuff and he's like, I don't understand how you get this for such a good price because the quality is incredible. So coming from Jordan, you know it's true because he's very picky with his stuff. But yeah, so if you guys want to get anything from New York & Company, I will link my affiliate link below. And also use code Cassie10. I'll put that up on the screen somewhere here. But use code Cassie10 and you'll get a discount as well on your New York & Company purchase. I'm gonna have to get some scissors for this next one. Okay, so I believe I told you on Instagram stories, and I have a new company I'm working with this month, which I'm so excited about because as you probably know, I'm very new to this like blogging, YouTubing stuff. I literally just started 2 months ago. So the fact that I am getting product from companies already, like my mind is blown. Like it's incredible. I reached out to White House Black Market and just asked if they had an affiliate program. I said I love their product, would love to get involved. And I heard back like pretty quickly within like 24 hours and they were like, yeah, we looked at your social media. We think you'd be a great fit. We'd love to send you some things. Send us some items that you like online and what size you would wear and we'll send you some things. And I was like, okay, so I don't know. I got 2 boxes from them. So I don't know if it's going to be the exact stuff that I told them or if they like picked things they thought I'd like. I have no idea. We're just going to find out together right now. Okay. Yes. Okay. So these I had asked for. So I am working from home 4 days a week. And so I have found, again, because I'm not a casual dresser, I have not had a lot of good casual stuff for wearing when you work from home. So I found these olive silky joggers from White House Black Market. Oh my gosh, these are so stunning. Like, I don't know if you can see the sheen on this with this lighting, but these are so beautiful. I think this will be perfect for working from home. Outfit idea, overdressed t-shirt with my joggers for working from home. This is like the ultimate combo of comfort, but still looking fashionable. Oh, I'm obsessed. So these are a size 4, which is generally my go-to size these days, but they look like they'll fit perfect. Pockets, functional pockets, love that. And then the little cargo pockets down below and zippers at the hem. So definitely got that utility look to it that's very in right now, but so cozy and so beautiful. Oh, I'm loving this already. Okay. Yes. Okay, so this is another item that I had requested and I didn't know if they would send it to me, but this was like my absolute favorite piece online. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. This dress is so stunning. It's like a camel color dress, super silky. I love the sleeve. So it's a 3/4 like bubble sleeve with a ruffle hem and then a matching ruffle collar as well. I'm gonna try and get like a close up-ish of that. Oh my goodness, but I just love this. And then you've got the button detailing down here. Oh, so I guess the top one's a snap. The next one is like actual buttons, so I can't unbutton it right now. But so gorgeous. I cannot get over this color. It has a tie waist, which I love because it's just so figure flattering and adjustable for like if you gain or lose weight, or like right now we're trying to get pregnant. So I love dresses and things like this where I'm like, okay, even if it happens this month, like I could still wear these dresses for quite a while. I love that because the last thing I want to do is get a whole shipment of new items that I'm going to outgrow in 3 months. So love dresses for that very reason. Yay! Oh my gosh, I think these are the same as the olive ones. Yes, so I got the same joggers, but these are in black. Again, super silky, beautiful, so soft, with pockets. Oh, I don't think I showed the back on the other ones, but they just have the little pockets on there as well. Again, so beautiful, and these will be so perfect for working from home. And we're still on box number 1 from them, so White House Black Market, you are far too kind. Okay. Then we have this top, which I just think is so beautiful. Oh, and it has the cami underneath. Love that. I love this top for spring. It's got the floral. It's got a really nice balloon sleeve, which I love, and then it's gathered at the wrist. And I think this is so beautiful because it's got the sheer, and it has the cami, so it's definitely work appropriate, but it is a little bit more sexy with the sheer quality to it. So absolutely love this. The quality, again, is incredible. I got this one in a size small, and I think it'll fit like just perfect. On to box number 2 of White House Black Market, which is the 3rd box of all of these to unbox. Okay. Yes! Oh my gosh, if you guys watched my Instagram story today, which is Thursday the 18th, I shared about the White House Black Market dress sale that's going on, and I shared some of my favorites. This one, along with that gold one that I showed you previously, was in that collection, and I'm so excited. This dress is so gorgeous. So it's just like a simple wrap dress, but it is so high quality. Like, this is so heavy right now, like holding it up, because it's just like so thick, such great quality. It's got the tie waist detail. It is like a maxi length, but then with the wrap, it comes up a little bit higher so you can walk and it just flows, you know? Sleeveless, which I love for the season. And again, this is a great item for, fingers crossed, if we finally have a baby, I can wear this like bump approved. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. This was really exciting for me to be starting to work with a new company, with White House Black Market. I'm just so excited that I get to partner with them. All these items are so stunning. I will link to all of them down below. I'll also link to my New York & Company affiliate code and share my discount code as well down below so you can shop with them. Thank you to both companies for partnering with me. Again, this is incredible. I'm so new to all this, so I'm really, really appreciative that you trust me to promote your product, and I hope you guys like it. I hope you'll shop around on those sites. So I always describe my personal style as classic with a twist. So really classic silhouettes, but in bold, bright colors and patterns. And I definitely feel like both of these companies fit me to a T. So that's one of the reasons why I'm so excited that I'm getting to share them with you and that I'm getting to partner with them, because you know, you can partner with a lot of people out there. I've got contacted by some really random companies. So you really just have to find companies whose fashion you click with, like you really connect with, you are their customer. And these, both New York & Company and White House Black Market, like I am their girl, like working professional, loves fashion, but wants to keep it classy, wants to keep it chic, but also try out those new trends. So I'm just, again, so excited to partner with them. Thank you so much for sponsoring this content and this video. So now I think I'm gonna need to try these on for you, do a little fashion show. So yeah, let's get to it.